This program is brought to you by York County Library's Summer Quest. Safe summer fun for everyone. Today's craft, inchworm. You will need foam, pipe cleaner, sticks, straws, and glue. Here's an example of what your finished project might look like. First, gather your supplies. Then, take your pipe cleaner and cut it so it's about 2.5 inches long. Next, cut your straw so that it is about 1.5 inches long. Now we're going to glue the inchworm to the leaf. Take your inchworm and glue the head of the inchworm to the front of the leaf. Next, put glue on the end of the leaf and place your straw on top of the glue. Remember, if you're using hot glue, have an adult do the hot gluing. Next, you're going to take your stick and place it in your straw. For the final step, you're going to glue the end of your pipe cleaner to the end of your stick. Once it dries, you will have an inchworm puppet. To make your puppet work, push the stick in and out of the straw. If you enjoyed today's program, visit our website or follow us on social media. Thanks for crafting with us.